Okay, so good evening, everyone. Here we again come up with the next session of the follow up. So, today we are going to take a session on follow up. All right, how we have to do the follow up in with the laptop. Okay, how you can maintain your list, how you will make a correct follow up, how the top influencers are doing. I'm going to tell you. Okay, so see, as we know, like top influencer, they are most on using the email marketing strategy. Okay, that is the best way to connect with the people, the email marketing. But here, like the people who are into a initial stages, who are just a newbie, who had started their career in a digital and affiliate industry. So this is how they take the follows. Okay, so here first we will come with the laptop, and later we will go with the mobile. All right, so here I am telling about you Trello. Okay, so Trello is a website which is using all over the world. All the top influencers are doing. Okay, so whatever I am going to teach you, make sure you will understand it very very carefully, and it is very very helpful. Or today, like server is down. Yeah. So when you will start with this, okay, first you have to make an account in Trello. Okay, how you are going to make a account, like just we normally do. We have to put a email id, we have to put a username and password. All right, it's a very simple way. Okay, you can easily make this account. It's a free. Okay, you don't need for a they do have a paid version, but I recommend you to go for a free version only. All right, so let's start with it. This is a when you will make an account, they will ask you for what purpose you have to start with this Trello. Okay, they will give you the option of like they will give you the option, so you have to decide your option that I have uh, right for the affiliate marketing purpose. Okay, so you have to make a why you have to create it. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, see, this is how I had created for Renown International. Got it? Okay, this is how you have to make. Okay, you will find the option for personal, private, okay, IT, invite. This is a like things which you have to be like do this, but like this will be for open to you. Okay, so you don't need to make a private or something. Okay, so I have created for uh, affiliate marketing. I have put the name for the affiliate marketing. All right. Okay, so this is how we have to see, we have to do the follow up. Okay, I'm telling you, see this very carefully. Okay, so this is the option where you will find the follow up. Okay, you have to add the name of the people. Okay, here I'm going to tell you about your own name. All right, let's start with the let's start with Anisha. Okay, this is, I'm taking the follow up with Anisha. All right, so what I have like, see, Anisha, uh, then Abhinandan. All right, Kalyani. Okay, then Neha, Kshitij. Okay, okay, I have taken this, and now here is a option for edit, or you can say like the pencil. You have to click on it. Okay, and what kind of discussion we have done with Anisha. Okay, so I will write here, uh, just a second. Okay, so I will write here. Okay, like just I have sent her Aya's video. Okay, lead Zark video. I can write here lead Zark video. That will be better. Lead Zark video. Okay, now after that you have like every time you have to make understand what is the next. Okay, so this is how you have done with her. Okay, now I have saved this. Okay, now this is I have done. Now I have sent her. Then after that here I can shift it here as well, like I have done, like I'm doing. You can do, you are doing, you have done. Let me delete this for a while. Okay, so okay, I am doing this. Done is here we can put many of the options like doing, done, follow up, whatever the things which comes in your mind, you can do according to you. Okay, these are the option which is already given. I to do, uh, we write now like the things which we have to do, the things which we are going to with things which are we doing, the things which we have done with it. Okay, and here you can write by their name as well. You can create their name as well as well by adding it. All right, like this is a folder I have made for Kshitij. Okay, so for Kshitij, I will add here the option like have to call and remind him to send the video of लाइक सपोज इट्स 2 PM, रात को मैं काम कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, तो मैं एक रिमाइंडर डालूंगी, अरे कल मुझे क्षितिज से बात करनी है कि वो बोलने वाला था कि एक डैनलॉक का बहुत अच्छा वीडियो आया है, तो वो मुझे सेंड करेगा बोल रहा था लेकिन भूल गया, तो फिर आई विल राइट दैट डैनलॉक वीडियो. Okay, so have to call and remind Kshitij to send the video of Danlock. Okay, so this is how we put the reminders. This is how we put the reminders. You can also put the date here. Are you getting what I'm teaching you? I want your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a very professional way to work with it. Okay, this is done by all, like almost all over the people in the world. They are doing this. So I highly recommend everyone to learn it. Okay, this is going to be one of the best way, uh, to make a follow up. All right, especially for those who are working with a laptop. Okay, those who are working in a system, for that this is a very professional. And I have learned this Trello from Ayaz. Okay, I have learned this from Ayaz when I have taken his advanced affiliate marketing course in month of March. Okay, so we were only 25 to 27 people in that batch. So it was one of the best training I have come up with, and there I have found this is one of the best way for the follow. Okay, so sometimes I use it, sometimes I'm not use it, but I want, now I again starting with this only because I want now when I come up with the top notch, so I have to work like I have to make like I have started making creating a new things, and I'm coming up with the technology, so this is become very mandatory for me to work in it. So I also want you people also do the same and learn in a different way. Okay,
मैम
yeah.
मैम इसमें रिंगटोन या सॉन्ग ये कुछ सेट कर सकते हैं?
क्या?
कुड बी सॉन्ग या रिंगटोन मींस रिंगटोन एज लाइक अलार्म सेट कर सकते हैं इसमें?
I have not gone, उतना तो मैंने की नहीं हूँ. These are the basic things which I have done. I will come with it also. See here, I found the bell also. This is bell is for notification, I guess. Yeah, this is a notification bell. All right. So I don't know about it, the alarm and all, but what I have learned, that I'm showing you. All right. So this is how I will then like he will, I will click here and check what the I have to do with Anisha. Okay. So wait. So this is how I have write for Kshitij. Okay, now you can make a list of this. Okay, this is how you have to make a list. Now you are going into doing, then here these are the options. Okay, you can also add your own folders. Okay, this is you are going to add by the name of everyone. Like here are the list of people. Okay, like these are the new list. This is the list of new people. All right, these are the list of new people. Let me add some more. Wasim. Okay, then Roshan. All right, so these are the list of people, and now I can add here also I can add name of them, so that we can easily make the clear uh, clear things. Okay, now take the example Rohan. ओके रोहन से मेरी आज बात हुई, जैसे रोहन ने आज मुझे बोला दैट ही विल टेल मी इन 2-3 days to join the business. Okay, now he said 2-3 days, so you can write the date 14 or 15 October. Okay, this is how you can add put the date as well. Okay, here you will come to know that, oh, Rohan, he has said that he is going to be joined on 14 or 15. Okay, on 15 you can, on 14 or 15 you can call him or message him, do a follow up like you are going to do it. Then we call it again and he will say that it will take another 1 week. He said after 1 week. Okay, but after 1 week, if you will, after 1 week also, you also put that, just a second. You just put a date of next week, like today is 13. Take the example, you put the date of 20th October. All right. Okay. If you will call him on 20th October, he will say that I have a issue with the, like bolte hai na ki I don't have money right now. I will join this business once I get the salary, like first week of uh, November. Okay, so this is how you can make a follow-up. Are you getting what I'm saying,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
बट मैम एक दिन में तो पता नहीं कितने आते हैं, तो इसमें तो लिस्ट ही कंप्लीट हो जाएगी.
No, no,
Yes,
no.
yes, yes, we are getting rich. Yeah, it's very helpful tool, because what we are doing, we can see, or we are getting confidence to call them. We have all, huh?
See here what happens, you will have the complete history of them in front of you. You have got it. See, when if you will go in a WhatsApp, you will not scroll and see what happens. Many times when we do a WhatsApp chat, what happened, lot of things, and we also send in broadcast it. What we did in broadcast list, we send them the motivational quotes or values to them, any video. Okay, so these are the things. So what happens, the history goes upstairs. If we will scroll it, we can't read the history, we can't see when he had joined. Here you can write the date as well. Okay, like here you can write, like you have first contacted Rohan Ahuja on take the example first 1st October. Okay, connected ऐसे लिखना, connected on connected on 1st October. And how you connected, like through Facebook or through Instagram, you can like write that. So this is the history. Okay, see, you will find it bit of lengthy, but daily you are easily connecting with a couple of people. Those are, they shows their eagerness. All right, so we can say them that sir, we had connected on if we will say them like we have connected on 1st October through FB, Okay, and on 20th October, you told me that you are going to start with me. Then then you same date I have called you. Then you said you are going to join on first week of November. So 1st of November, you said that my salary will come, you will join. Okay, so you can tell them their history, so they will get impressed that this person, he knows everything about me, he know everything, like they thought ki isko mere bare mein sab pata hai with date. So we are maintaining that. Okay, we maintaining that everything, and we can do it this in such a professional way. And if you will start with this, I don't think so this is the best way. In fact, I asked, does this? When I used to tell him now that I'm not getting good, I'm taking a follow, but I'm not getting the people which I'm aspiring. So he was asking me, how you are doing follow up, through broadcast or Trello? So I said with broadcast. So why you are not using Trello? I have taught you. Okay, I teach you Trello. Use it, do in a proper way, because he himself is doing. So see what happened. If you will work like a pro, you will get the result. Okay, and you always have to work on a quality leads. If you will find a junk leads, you have to remove them. You have to, जितने हम remove करेंगे ना, उतने quality leads में ध्यान दे पाएंगे. Okay, why I'm connecting with you all the time? I'm talking with Neha continuously, I'm talking with Richa continuously, I'm talking with Anisha continuously, I'm talking with Kalyani continuously. Why? Because you are a quality leads. So this is how, in after some time, you will get the people who will be of quality people, and it becomes very easier for you to take a follow up from them. Got it? So do you found this a correct way to do a follow up?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
Richa, absolutely. Because there is no any confusion.
Yes. So here I can also write. See, let's start. Take the okay. So do, does, doing. All right. So let's start with the Abhinandan. Okay. So I contacted Abhinandan last week, right? It was, take the example, 7th October. Okay. Okay. So he is interested in top notch. And very excited to join the program. See, this is, I'm thinking from the top notch point of view. Okay. And you have to think from the leads of point of view, right? So this is how you have to know. Make a, all right. So whatever the conversation we are making, we have to save it. All right. So this is, I have made of Abhinandan. Now I am going to create done. I have put him on a done. I was doing, now I have done. Got it? Now what next will be my conversation with him? Okay, I will keep on adding here with date. Okay, with timing. Okay, you must be seen that I always write in Instagram, IGTV also you can check. I always write a date. Like I today take the session with Neha. I have put the today's date. Why I am putting this date? Because I want myself to be remembered that on 13th October 2020, I have taken the session with Neha Thakkar. Okay, and it becomes my memory. So, like this is how we come to know about date. If you will start writing the date, it will become very easier for you to take a follow. Always write date. I will show you my book. Whenever I write anything, this is my diary. Okay, this diary is a gem. अगर ये किसी के हाथ में लग गई ना, उसकी तो जिंदगी बन गई. Okay, so whenever I write anything, I always put a date on it. Okay, so this is how the things which I do, and what are my today's task, and what is my tomorrow is going to be task. This is how I always does. So I also highly recommend you to do the same. All right. So I have done with this. So whatever the conversation will be there, I will keep adding on adding. Okay. So whatever is there, you have to put a date. This is how you have to maintain your follow-up list. Okay. Now you can also put name like this. See, this is I have done by the name. This is for your hot list. You can put the name of the hot list, and for the warm list, you can just a second. Okay. Okay, you can put a title here like warm list. There are multiple ways where you can create your own strategies. This is like warm list, cold list, and hot list. Okay, here you will categorize the people. You will categorize the people, and if you will find somebody very hot and you think that within a week they are going to be closed, so you can put their name as well, which we have done before. Like this, we can, these are the name of hot leads people, which is very, very interested. This is how you can scroll, and you will find everybody's name here in your list. Okay, you can add it, edit it, delete it, do as you want. So this is the one of the bestest way I come with across. All right. So as of now, you understand everything. As of now, you understand everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion? Do you want to ask anything?
Ma'am, according to you, means in which time we have to set for this Trello app, means at morning, at evening?
Said you see, it depends. You are a full-time affiliator, part-time affiliator. Okay, you will decide your own timing. How would we know? How I know you are working in a day, on a day basis, on a night basis? Like if you will if you will talk about Abhinandan, okay, Abhinandan is a very busy man. He is having a 9 to 7 job. Okay, he come at home like by 7. So he does his job in day. So he will do his business on night, right? He will call the people. He will do the follow-up. He will decide his own schedule. So you have to decide when you have to do it. I've write this incorrect spelling. Okay, I've write the incorrect spelling of Abhinandan. So this is how you have to decide your own timing when you have to do your work. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is very simple, and I don't want you to make it more complicated. Okay, इतना भी आप कर लेंगे ना काफी है, इससे ज्यादा करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. There are number of features in the Trello, but I don't want you to go much on deep. Okay, what you have done, what you are doing, what is your next plan, and whatever the things like here I'm also adding the work of Renon work. Or also I can make another folder also which I have done in the starting. I can also make another folder. I can also do here the my Renon work also. Here the Abhinandan you can do your affiliate business also, and here you can add one more list where you can also do the follow up of your office business as well. So this is how you can do a business as according to your own requirement. You can't do the things which you are doing here, you can't do on broadcast list. Okay, because there you will not have that much of options which you will get here. Don't you think? Don't you think here in Trello you will do according to yourself, whatever the strategies comes into your mind, you will do it here. You will do here lot of experiments. Exactly, it is going to be a very systematic, and once you will start creating it, you will be into a next level. I have seen there is I have long back I have seen there is a application also of Trello, but I have not used it, so I don't know how the feature is. So I will check it. I will let you know. I will check in and I will let you know if how to operate that Trello. But I found this is the best way because I have attended the meeting for this. Sorry, not meeting, training for this. So I remember everything and I did it also. So I want you people to do it. And this is one of the best and the professional way and a systematic way to do a business and to do a follow up. All right. Here you can also put a reminder for your families also, like if we have any program, we have any event tonight, we have to go somewhere, or to like we have any appointment with your friend, or like you can put anything here. You can add your personal things as well. Here we have a option also, personal and private, you can add also. Here you can invite option is also there, but I don't know you will need of this. I don't know you will need of this. If you want to come and join somebody with you, like this is for the people who are doing in a corporate world, who are doing work in a corporate level, or the team of the people, for them this will work. But this is going to be your personal account in a Trello. So this is how I find the bestest way and in a professional way. All right. So I was very excited for this today's session, especially for the follow up and especially for the Trello, because you are already doing the broadcast list, but I'm there's some more features added in a broadcast list also. Many of the people don't know, so today I'm going to share that as well. So this is how which I have done, and I want you to use it. There is nothing such difficult. Do you find it difficult? Do you find it difficult?
No, ma'am.
All right. So now I want you all to use it. Okay. So I want you all to use it. All right. So now we will start with the okay, so now I am Okay. My voice is audible. It is echoing.
Ma'am, it's doubling. Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Doubling. Your voice is doubling.
Yeah, yeah. Now,
Now fine, ma'am.
fine. So now here I'm going to share. Okay. My mobile is visible. My screen is visible. Please confirm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible.
All right. So
अच्छी दिख रही मैम.
this was 2 years ago. All right. So here I have a group. Please unmute yourself, everyone. Okay, I have this list of broadcast. Okay, so do you find these two colors? One is new lead and the second is new leads too. Have you seen it? I want your message. Can you see in a screen? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So this is how I made a list. Now I'm going to tell you how to create a broadcast list. First, what you have to do, you have to make a broadcast list. For that, you have to uh, download the WhatsApp, business WhatsApp. Okay. First, you have to download the business WhatsApp. You can also use the regular number, and you can convert that number into a business WhatsApp. All right. So this was the number which was of my husband's number. I'm using this from last 4 years, and I had converted this number into a broadcast number last year, not last year, in the month of January. Okay, in the month of January, I have converted this number into a WhatsApp, business WhatsApp. So now what you have to do, you have to click on this three dots. Okay, you have to create a new broadcast list. Okay, so now take the example. I'm creating a new broadcast list of top notch. All right. First, let me add few people like Neha, okay, Abhinandan, Kalyani, Anisha, Roshan, and Kshitij, Rohan, Richa. All right. Now, Kazi, Wasim. Okay, so I have added almost 10 people. So now I'm going to just a second. This is a name of group, top notch broadcast list. batch 1. All right. So this is I have done. Here I'm going to add a okay. So this is a announcement like for the broadcast. All right. So this is I have done. Now here you will find a option. Like once you will create a broadcast list, you will find here the option of label broadcast list. Have you seen it? Label broadcast list. This is a new feature. This is a new feature had come to the business WhatsApp. So check this very carefully because nobody know this. So I want you to understand it. Okay, this is a label broadcast list. This is a list where you will select your own category for the people. Okay, you understand? Do you understand as of now? I want anybody, everyone's reply.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understand?
Understand.
You
Yes,
want
ma'am.
me to check it again?
No, no, it's clear, ma'am.
Okay. What about others?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
All right. So this is how these are the list which you can add as per your requirement. Like this is new customer, new order, okay, pending payments, paid. These are the first a few options which is given by the broadcast list itself. Okay, because this is a business WhatsApp. So the WhatsApp company they already have gave this four option of new customer, new order, new pending payments, paid, order complete. And after that, you have to decide your own list, like the hot list. Like I have shown you before the new leads 1, new leads 2. Okay, now here I'm clicking on new label, which I have created right now, right? Top notch. Okay. Okay, so here, just a second. Okay, here in this label, you can add your own list. Okay, and you can make any of the color. You can you can decide your own color. Okay, as of now, you have understand everything?
Yes, ma'am. Got
Correct.
it.
Yes. Now here I come again in a home page of business WhatsApp, and here you will find the another option. Go in a first click on three dots, go in a label, and you will find this everything. Okay. Now here we will go, and here we will edit the label. Okay, you can edit it, and you can here this is an option where you can do the color changes as well. If you want pink, if you want red. Okay, so see, I will tell you that if you have a uh, new take example, new customer or new lead, so you will change this color. Okay, you will choose here color. New leads means new entry, green color. Okay, so this is how you can do the uh, editing as you want. This is the paid means the people who have already joined the leads arc. All right, so you will go here, and you will choose your color. Okay, they are already into a in your list, so you can decide your own color. All right, color updated. So this is a one of the best option which is newly came up, and I just want you to share with you. All right, this is how you can do it, and this is the best way. You can also add a group here, the hot list. Okay, warm list. And cold list. You can do any kind of experiment you want. Okay, here are the things which you can do in a very systematic way. Okay, so here I have shown you all the options. Okay, so you have to make a correct list, and you have to do the follow-up. And if you will if you will send like I have created this. Okay, so hey everyone, how was the today's follow-up session of top notch? Did you find the values? Okay, so this is how I have sent to everyone. All right, so this is how I have sent to everyone, and this is a one of the best way which I have learned, and this is a new feature I have did, and I want you also to do the same. All right, so yeah, and all right, so everybody. All right, so how was it? Did you get it everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you implement from today onwards?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
We
Is
will
anyone
try.
wants to ask? Anybody wants to ask anything? Please let me know. If किसी को कुछ पूछना है
Ma'am,
पूछ सकते हैं. या बोलिए.
मैम आई हैड मेनी पीपल्स कि आप बिजनेस व्हाट्सएप यूज करने पर वो ऑटोमेटिक बंद हो जाती, क्लोज हो जाती है. मींस आई हैड दिस टाइप ऑफ
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम्स.
Oh yeah, I forget to share you the automatic message. Okay, I will tell it once again. You see, when it happens when you will post 4 to 5 daily post. Okay, 1 or 2 posts it's okay. एक से दो पोस्ट अगर आप डालेंगे तो it's okay. If you will put more than 3, 4, then it is going to be banned, because it shows that you are doing a spamming. It shows like you are doing a scam kind of. Okay, so this has happened with many of the people. In fact, 2 months before, I asked का फोन भी जो बिजनेस व्हाट्सएप था वो भी किसी ने कुछ कंप्लेन वगैरह कर दिया था. So he has just put a mail and it didn't work. So it's better if you will do 2 posts but both of the posts should be valuable. I highly recommend if you will put a valuable post, so it will become a very easier for you to make it understand. All right, there is one more feature which I will show you. Just a second. Now we will go to the settings. My voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so here these are the some tools which we will do at the time of settings. I'm telling this again. We will go in a third option, settings. Okay, this is a business tools. Okay, so these are the greeting option when somebody is sending you hi. Okay, I have already drafted this. Uh, Many of you must have this. All right. So I have put this draft in a greeting. Okay, you have to put okay and greet customer when they message you for the first time after 14 days of no activity. Okay, if somebody is sending you hi and after 14 days he send you hi again, okay, so the same greeting message will go to him. Okay, so it's written already there that greet customer when they message you the first time or after 14 days of no activity. So this is how you can draft and save it. And this is an option you will find only in
Okay.
business WhatsApp. You will not find this on a regular WhatsApp. All right. So this was the biggest setting I highly recommend you. Okay. Second thing I want to say here you will find this option also, like this is option of the setting. Like I have put here a long back for the Renon International. You can put for the affiliate marketing also. Okay. So like how many days you are open. So like I have write like I work 24 hours. So I write 24 hours. Or you can do it edit also as you want. Okay. And here you can mention everything about yourself. So this is the best feature which I come with it, and I want you also to use it. Okay, so these are some more settings you will find. Once you will start doing experiment, you can do it on a daily basis, and it is very easy and it is very flexible to use it. All right. So yeah, thank you, Richa. Thank you. All right. So so this was the session which I have done. So how was it? And if anybody have any questions, you can ask. I'm taking from mobile here only. All right. Any doubt? Any doubt?
मैम मुझे ये समझ नहीं आई, जैसे एज लाइक यू टोल्ड कि 2 पोस्ट आपको सेंड करना चाहिए, तो मीन्स जैसे वार्म लिस्ट बनाते हैं, मीन्स ब्रॉडकास्ट लिस्ट, ओके, सो मीन्स जैसे एज लाइक वार्म लीड है, तो वार्म लीड का जो ब्रॉडकास्ट लिस्ट है उसमें 2 पोस्ट करनी चाहिए, या अदर जो अदर पर्सन हु आर
2 से
हु आर
3
आल्सो कमिंग,
2 से 3 posts
दो
is enough. 2 to 3 posts is enough, right? Okay. 2 से 3 posts is enough. If you will put 4 to 5 posts on a daily basis, so it becomes like I already said that the WhatsApp will think that you are doing a spamming continuously, motivations or anything else. So this is how I will highly recommend you not to send so many messages. Like people will think that you are doing something spamming kind of. Yeah.
एंड मैम जो न्यू लीड आती हैं तो उनको तो स्टार्टिंग में काफी एक्सप्लेन करनी पड़ती है, तो मींस काफी पोस्ट भी सेंड करना पड़ जाता है लाइक बेनिफिट बोनस।
कनेक्ट विद देम, यू सेड कि काफी लोगों के साथ ऐसे करना पड़ता है, तो आप उनसे कनेक्ट करिए, बट आप दिन में 2 पोस्ट भी अगर उनको भेजेंगे ना, तो आप उनके साथ फॉलो अप करेंगे, फॉलो अप तो आप इंडिविजुअली करेंगे ना।
Excuse me, Richa, excuse me. I'll take this question. See what happens when you send a message for a new person and that number is not saved in your mobile. Okay, and if he say,
Okay.
who are you? How do you know me? Where you got my number? Okay, so this question is captured by the WhatsApp. If you not save his or her number, or he is not save your number, then it's come in the WhatsApp inspection. Then there's just so many chance for the for ban your number. My also WhatsApp two times my WhatsApp ban. One is a personal, one is a business. Business is banned. It has been the 1.5 month, but it's not in unbanned. So like this, it's happening. बेटर ये रहेगा आप नंबर सेव कीजिए और सामने वाले को उसका नाम और अपना नाम पहले एक तरह से एक वार्म कम्युनिकेशन कर लीजिए, जिससे कि वो कभी ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे कि हु आर यू। जैसे हु आर यू वो पूछता है व्हाई यू डूइंग, ठीक है, तो वहां पर ये व्हाट्सएप क्या करता है, ये कैप्चर कर लेता है कि ओ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट थिंग, तो वहां पर बैन होने के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं। और हाँ, एक सेम मैसेज अगर आप ज्यादा लोगों करते हो जो कि नंबर सेव नहीं है जिन लोगों के, तो वो भी एक तरह की स्पैमिंग हो जाती है, वहां पे भी हम लोग
Yes, here, sorry to interrupt you, Abhinandan. There is one more feature of WhatsApp, which what you have to do if somebody is contacting you from a messenger or from a LinkedIn or from a Instagram. So first tell them to save your number. If you will, if you will save his number first, so you won't be able to add them in a broadcast list, and if you will add them, so your message will not deliver to him. So it first, the basic feature of the broadcast is first allow the leads to save your number, tell them to message you first, and then you have to go further. This is the main feature. I highly want to tell you, recommend you to do it. Okay, so otherwise you won't be able to, if you are sending them continuous message through a broadcast list, so the message will not deliver to them. All right.
Absolutely. I will add one point. See, when we have taken a number from Messenger, sir, kindly save my number or I will save your number. Okay, we will both save number together. We are very comfortable on WhatsApp. Okay, or I will call you. Kindly save my number and kindly sir send me a WhatsApp message. Just send me hi. जैसे वो हाई करेगा तो हमारे पास जो ड्राफ्ट मैसेज है उसके पास तुरंत चला जाएगा, हमें बात नहीं करनी, वो ड्राफ्ट मैसेज चला जाएगा। जब तक वो फिलअप नहीं करेगा तब तक हम उससे कम्युनिकेशन आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे। जैसे वो बोलेगा कि वही हाई किया, मैसेज चला गया, फिर वो दूसरी कुछ बात पूछ रहा है, लेकिन हम उसको वहीं पर ही उसको टिक करके बोलेंगे कि सर काइंडली रिप्लाई दिस मैसेज फर्स्ट।
Okay, So this is how we have do it. Is any questions anybody have? Any other
Oh,
questions?
क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है, बट क्या है कि हम लोगों ने मतलब एक्चुअली मैं सबका नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं मिल पाया, कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाया, बट एनी हाउ आज और कल तक सारे जितने टास्क हैं सारे कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे.
All right. Yes, I want everyone. See, I am taking lot of efforts. I am putting new and new strategies. I learned the current, what is trending in the market. Okay, what is new things. I just keep updating myself because I want you to deliver you best. Okay, so I also want you to give your 100% participation. So please make a video and whatever you are learning, implement it. Do it practically. I am showing everything to you practically. The Top Notch is a platform where you will learn everything practically. This is not something a video kind of. This is not something a YouTube link which I'm sharing and you will say you will check it later. No, you are giving your 1 hour, half an hour. Yesterday we have done we have taken 2 hours yesterday also. So this is how I want whatever you are learning, you implement. Otherwise, it will become waste. सब waste हो जाएगा अगर आपने वो चीज implement नहीं किए. So I want you
Ma'am.
to
Ma'am, I made one post on PC, but I don't know after making that post when I was saving means download option. You told me save drive in the save drive, but after saving, I don't know what happened. Please pay then download. This type of problem happening.
I couldn't get you, Anisha. Could you please repeat again?
एक्चुअली मैम मैं आपको कॉल की थी ना जब एट नून टाइम. तो मैंने पीसी में वो पोस्ट क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट किया. मींस मैं यूज नहीं की हूँ पीसी में, जस्ट आई यूज्ड ए मोबाइल. तो जब मैंने पोस्ट बनाया, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, व्हेन आई सेव द पोस्ट, सेव कर रही थी तो पता नहीं उसमें पे करिए देन डाउनलोड ऑप्शन मींस पेमेंट का ऑप्शन बार बार क्यों आ रही थी. प्रो मीन्स मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया, पेमेंट का ऑप्शन आ रहा था तब डाउनलोड का. तो मुझे कि
क्या डाउनलोड
ऑप्शन रहता है,
क्या डाउनलोड करना
अपना पोस्ट मैंने जो बनाया, पोस्ट बनाने के बाद सेव करना रहता है मीन्स, या कहीं पे डाउनलोड करके शेयर करिए.
कहाँ पे पोस्ट बनाया आपने?
तो मैंने पीसी में मैम, कंप्यूटर में.
I'll clear it. She was talking about Canva.
Canva. Sorry, Canva.
Okay. You say now you are talking about Canva. Okay, see, the notifications will come all the time, but you have to ignore that. Okay, because when you have to ignore that, because see, when we will take any of the things, when I will when you know what, when I have created my account in YouTube. Okay, so in YouTube, my channel, when I have clicked on my channel in a YouTube, so from that day onwards, YouTube is continuously sending me the notification to take the YouTube paid version. All right, but I don't want to take the paid version of YouTube. So Canva is giving you the continued notification. You don't have to accept it. Okay. So this is how they want you to start with it. And I also recommend you to start with the Canva Pro, but first learn with the basic. Start making basic Canva, and once you will become pro in that, then go for, like, if you will start making a money. If you are doing a sale every week, you are doing a 2 to 3 sales. If you are getting 9,000 rupees per week, example, 9,000 rupees per week. So 600 will be the very small amount for you, because you are doing a creativity every day, right? You are posting through Canva Pro. Okay, you are doing a promotions through Canva Pro. So definitely, my intention was also the same. Like I was getting a three to four sales per week plus passive income. So I have decided to take a pro. It takes only 600 rupees, and 600 rupees is nothing. ओके 600 रुपए कुछ भी नहीं, जब जहां हम लोग क्वालिटी वर्क कर रहे हैं, देन व्हाई नॉट. अगर हम लोग हमारे फैमिली के साथ
जी मैम।
एक पार्सल भी मंगा लो, फूड पार्सल मंगा लो, 600 रुपए तो ऐसे ही आ जाता है. ओके, इफ आई विल टेल कपिल इज गोइंग आउट कि कपिल मुझे ये 2-3 सामान मंगाने के आप लेके आओ, तो सामानों के साथ सिर्फ कुछ नहीं एडिशनल चीजें भी लाएंगे, तो 600 रुपए तो ऐसे ही हो जाता. बट दिस 600 रुपीज इज हेल्पिंग अस टू मेक अ ह्यूज मनी, देन व्हाई नॉट. So this is how I have started. This is my perception. So like if you want to start, like I have taken in 600. I don't know what is the current rate, 700, 800 maybe, I don't know, or maybe 600. How much it's showing in Indian rupees or dollars?
डॉलर्स में।
Dollars. So there is option for Indian rupees also. Okay. So when you will do the payment, you will find the option for in Indian also, because when I have started the first session of Top Notch with you, right? So when I was doing this Zoom meeting payment, when I was doing, so I have found the option in both. I have found the option for dollars also. I found the option for Indian currency also, and I was trying to do the payment from last. A couple of days, but it was not happening. I'm having my international debit card, but it was not, my payment was not deducting from my account. So what I have done, I have taken the Kapil's credit card, my husband's credit card. I have taken his credit card and I did the payment, and like it was in Indian rupees, and like within 5 minutes I have done the payment. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you will do with the dollar or if you will do with the Indian, but if you will doing with the dollar, so you will get the option of credit card. Most of the time, the international digital tools, if you are purchasing, so they ask for the international credit card only, because every month it going to be deducted. Like my date is 12. हर महीने की 12 तारीख को, every month 12 my 12 my account debited to the Canva में मेरा 12 तारीख को हर महीने पैसा डिडक्ट हो जाता है, मुझे मैसेज आ जाता है. So how does it matter? If you are making a huge money, then why not? Okay, and I always believe if you are doing a quality work, you must have to invest on a technology, and if you will invest on a technology, you will make a very good work. I'm telling you, I have learned this from my experience. Okay, before I was using the Zoom meeting, but in 40 minutes it's cut. अब नेहा और कल्याणी तुमको तो पता ही है, alright. So like in 40 minutes, Richa also know, I was doing, like I was telling you to just reconnect it, and it doesn't look professional. I was wondering to start with the professional in a professional way, but that time I was unable to do the payment. But this is for this I want to do, and I have taken the couple's credit card and I have done with the payment. So this is how I want to say, if you want to do a quality work, you have to invest on yourself. All right. Any questions, Adho?
Yes,
How much you are paying for Zoom meeting for extra hours?
It's 1100 something plus GST. It goes around 1534, I guess. 1534 per month. I have taken, it was of $15, you can say. $15.
For how many people in
100.
100? Okay, right.
And unlimited time.
Zoom is also paid version.
Okay, we have done with this. Let me stop with the recording first. All right. Okay. Just a second.
Yeah, more than 40 it will pay.